Hi, this is Joanna Jaimes talking about the health literacy problem regarding diagnostic imaging. Patients are often going to doctor's appointments to get necessary imaging done. Most of the time, patients do not know what to expect, what to do, or even why they are getting the imaging done. Educating the patient on this information will prepare them for the procedure and allow them to understand and follow directions. It will also increase patient education and health literacy. I would like to create a sheet of information of the specific imaging that the patient will be getting done. This sheet will contain information on how it's done, how long it will take, what the procedure will actually do, and have other important information. An example of the information that I would like to provide is given in this chart by the UVA Radiology and Medical Imaging. On the right side is listed the imaging procedure. Then there's a brief explanation of how the imaging actually gets done. It also explains what to expect as a patient throughout the procedure. And most importantly, it lets the patient know what can be diagnosed. I will also train the staff on how to obtain and utilize interpreter services for foreign speaking and hard of hearing patients. This will reassure that any patient will be able to understand the information, even if they have a language barrier or a hearing impairment barrier, and will also fall in line with class standards. The sheet of information will be created in 3 months by management. It will be saved in a shared drive so that any employee will be able to easily access it. It will also be modified to be able to access it in any possible language. The employee will be able to print it out and hand it to the patient before they get the imaging done. In an article, Improving Health Outcomes Through Patient Education and Partnerships with Patient, Patel states that physicians will need to spend more time and energy educating patients to see behavioral change. Therefore, in order to see behavioral change, as a healthcare provider, we need to take our time to educate patients. This sheet will definitely help the patient understand what to expect, what to do, and why they are getting the imaging procedure done. It will improve health literacy and patient education, which is one of our overall goals as a healthcare provider.